Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to NIVS Home School. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Our today's discussion topic has been taken from Chapter-5, Lesson 13 and 14. Between these two lessons, we will discuss about the characteristics of domestic animals and domestic birds. Before going to make our main topic, I would like to request, please take your textbook and open it, Chapter 5, Lesson 13 and 14. So let's start. In Lesson 13, it has been discussed about introduction and characteristics of domestic animals. First of all, we need to know what are the domestic animals. Many and different types of species of animals live in our country, and among them buffaloes, cows, goat, sheep are mentionable, and these are reared at home and they become easily tame to its keeper. That's why they are told or they are called domestic animals. Okay. Many animals live in the world. Among them, cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, horses, camels, etc. are reared in home by domesticating them, and they give birth to their babies. So they are called domestic animals. Dogs, cats are also domestic animals like them. All of them are useful to us. They are very useful to us because we get meat and eggs from our domestic birds and animals. Especially from domestic animals we get meat, and we can also use them as our instruction of to getting some money or getting some useful anyway. And in last Eid vacation we also use them for our sacrificing and slaughtering these domestic animals. Okay. All of them are useful to us. There are about 24 million cows and 26 million goats in our country. Our local cows give 1 liter of milk per day, but foreign in hybrid cows give 15 to 20 liters of milk per day. In our local cows, they give 1 liter of milk per day, whether the hybrid cows can give 15 to 20 liters of milk per day. We can have a look. Here are some pictures of cows. This is Shahiwal cow and this is Holstein cow. In our locally, we can call them Australian cow, and is our red Sindhi cow, and this is Jersey cow. This Holstein cow can give more than 15 to 20 liters of milk per day, and this also Jersey cow also can give 15 to 20 liter of milk. This red Sindhi and Shahiwal cow, they can give 6 to 10 liters of milk per day. Okay. But foreign and hybrid cows give 15 to 20 liters of milk per day. Among the hybrid milking cows, Holstein, Friesian cow and Jersey cow are mentionable. Shahiwal and red Sindhi cows also give daily 6 to 10 liters of milk. The black goat that is raised everywhere in Bangladesh is called black Bengal goat. This is the picture of black Bengal goat. We can see everywhere in Bangladesh, and this is famous for meat. Moreover, the goat of long leg and falling ears that our countrymen rear for milk is called Jamunapuri or Ramsagal. Here you can see the picture of Jamunapuri or Ramsagal. The ear is falling and very long comparatively, and leg also long. Okay. Next, the common characteristics of the domestic animals are given. The common characteristics of these animals are they can become tame easily, and they can get the instruction of its keeper, and they follow the instruction of its keeper also. They like to be company of any human beings. Okay, the domestic animals, number one, the domestic animal becomes domesticated easily. They can get adjusted with the environment of the house. They know their keeper easily. They like the company of men. They respond to the behavior of men in the house. The domestic animals give birth to their baby. They are mammals. Finally, they are mammals. Okay. Introduction and characteristics of domestic birds. Before going to this discussion, we need to be introduced with domestic birds. What are domestic birds? Ducks, hens, pigeons, etc. are called domestic birds. They also can be reared at home and they can be tamed easily by its keeper. That's why they are called domestic birds. Let's see. Ducks, hens, pigeons, etc. are called domestic birds, like domestic animals, because they can be reared at home with domestication. They lay eggs and give birth by hatching. The village people are rearing about 246 million local hens and 46 million ducks. Our local hens lay 45 eggs and our local ducks lay 70 eggs on an average every year. But hybrid Leghorn Fowmy RIR hens lay 200 to 250 eggs every year. Here you can have a look. This is white Leghorn, this hybrid white Leghorn is, there is a red color tuft on its head and there is another red flower on its throat. Okay. Foreign breed Indian runner, khaki Campbell and Janding ducks lay 250 eggs on an average every year. Peking duck is famous for meat. This is khaki Campbell, which is also very famous in our country. And this is Lahori pigeon. Okay, the common characteristics of the domestic birds are as follows. They become tamed easily. They get adjusted with the environment of houses. They can be adjusted with the environment of its keeper house. They know their keeper and follow for food. They can easily understand their keeper and they follow for food their keeper also. They lay eggs in the house and give birth by hatching. They are adept in rearing their babies. They can collect their own food by themselves. You know that a hen has 4 fingers in its leg. They have red tuft on their head and they have red flower in their throat. A hen starts to lay egg at the age of 5 months. A duck is called an aquatic bird. A duck is called an aquatic bird. A duck is not that much habituated to hatch eggs. That's why, so the eggs of a duck are kept for incubation under a hen. Very interesting matter. A duck is not actually, it is not cannot incubate its egg. That's why its eggs can be incubated by another hen. Okay, this is all about our today's discussion. We have already finished our reading. Now take your SW. There are some questions. All questions are knowledge based questions. My first question is, what is called domestic animal? This is my SW number 6 and today's lesson lecture number 7 and SW number 6. First question is, what is called domestic animal? Second one, what is called domestic bird? Third one, which domestic bird is called aquatic? How much milk do Sahiwal and red Sindhi cows give daily? And last one, how many local hens are rearing in the village? So this is all about our today's discussion. I hope you have understood our today's discussion. You should read your textbook to get the better idea. And this is our summaries of this lesson. And submit this SW coming Sunday and collect the previous one. Keep practicing at home, read textbook, stay well, stay safe, listen to your parents. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.